Hello and welcome back folks. Today we're making some classic Caesar salad dressing. It only takes about 10 minutes to prepare and make, and once made it can be stored in the fridge for up to 3 days. So if you're ready, let's go. Place 2 to 3 fillets of anchovy in oil into a large mixing bowl along with 2 cloves of crushed garlic and form it into a paste. Add 2 egg yolks into the bowl and mix those in as well. Then stir in some grated parmesan cheese. Add in some freshly squeezed juice from half a lemon. The next bit is important. We're going to whisk in about 50 milliliters of olive oil a little at a time until it forms an emulsion. Finally, stir in 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. To make a chicken Caesar salad, toss some romaine lettuce leaves in the dressing and serve with some cooked chicken and croutons. If you want to go the extra step, you can make some parmesan chips to go along with the salad by melting some grated parmesan cheese. So that's how you make classic Caesar salad dressing. Thanks for watching folks, and I'll catch you in the next video.